What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to MANIACITV, man. Today we got some breaking news regarding BBG affiliate, also known as NBA Youngboy's right-hand man, BBG Baby Joe. He was reportedly shot last night about 10:30 p.m. in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Now, the story is still developing, but this is what we got from the news article. It says 3 people are having their gunshot wounds treated after a shootout on Saigon Lane, Saturday, June 26. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. A spokesperson for the East Baton Rouge Parish Sheriff's Office said passengers in 2 cars opened fire on each other. Their motive was not immediately determined. Deputies shut the road down to investigate around 10:30 Saturday night, man. So, like I said, it's still developing. But last I heard, I guess somebody that's really close to Baby Joe actually ended up posting on Instagram that, they had a good phone call, that, that he's doing good right now. I saw other stuff, people saying, please pull through. So, just sending my prayers out to Baby Joe, man. Everybody affected, all 3 that were shot, man. Hope y'all pull through. Man, it's crazy out here, man. Be careful. Be careful. I keep telling y'all this, man. Be careful how you move out here. Always stay alert, man. Stay alert, stay dangerous, man. So, yeah, BBG Baby Joe alongside 2 other people were shot last night in Baton Rouge, man. Like I said, definitely sending well wishes to them. Hope they pull through. If y'all new to the channel, y'all rock with me on daily reaction videos, man. Hit that subscribe button for me. Until the next video, I'll see y'all then. Thank you for watching MANIACITV. I'm out.